Okay, 3 pulleys are there, movable pulleys A, B, C, and 1 fixed pulley is D. So A, B, C are movable pulleys, okay, and D is the fixed pulley. If we will not use this one, so then we have to lift up. Okay, so to make our effort in convenient direction, we are using the fixed pulley. Now, there are 3 ropes, 1 rope, 2 and 3 number of ropes. So therefore tension will be different. Say this one is T1. Both side will be T1. Here it is T2. This is T2. This is another rope. The tension will be different. Say this is T3. So therefore, first case, what happened? The load is equal to 2T1. And this T1 is balanced by 2 T2s. Yes. So therefore, T1 is equal to 2 T2. Again, the T2 is balanced by what happened? 2 T3s. So T2 is equal to 2 T3. And E is equal to T3. Now see, here load is equal to 2 T1, so T1 is equal to 2 T2, so we can put what? 2 T2. Again, I am writing here 2 T1, so 2, put the value of T1 from here, so this will be 2 T2, T1 equal to 2 T2. That is again 2 into 2. Put the value of T2, so that is T2 equal to 2 T3. So load is equal to, we can write 2 to the power 3 into T3. So then mechanical advantage equal to load by effort. So that is equal to that is equal to 2 to the power 3. Mechanical advantage is equal to 2 to the power 3. That is, we can write 8. It means by applying, say, here we are applying 1 Newton force. So therefore we can lift 8 times, that is 8 Newton of load. But when we will pull 8 meter of rope, so then it will be lifted up. How much? Only 1 meter. It means velocity ratio is also equal to 8. So velocity ratio is also equal to 8, that is equal to 2 to the power 3. We are what? Lifting this one by x. So therefore it will be pulled by how much? It will pull 2x. Then 2x into 2x, 4x. 4x into 2 is how much? 8x. So in this way, here x, here 2x, again 2, again 2. So therefore similarly, in same way distance, that is DE, say DL equal to x. So therefore DE is equal to 2 to the power 3 into x. So obviously VR is equal to what? DE by DL. That is equal to 2 to the power 3. Now, the number of movable pulleys is equal to n. For n number of movable pulleys, MA will be equal to, here number of movable pulleys are 3, so 2 to the power 3. Velocity ratio also 2 to the power 3. So then it will be 2 to the power n. And velocity ratio is equal to 2 to the power. Yes, velocity ratio also 2 to the power n. Also we can find what? The efficiency. The efficiency for ideal case, MA by VR, that is 2 to the power n by 2 to the power n, that is equal to 1, or what? 100%. But actual practice it is less than 100%. Are you getting this one? That is, DL is moving how much? Say X. So therefore, T1 will be pulled by how much? 2x. Okay. Here it will be pulled, the B will be pulled by 2x. It will go 2x. Yes. So again this one will be what? The 2 times. So it will go 2 into 2x. Then again it is pulled both sides. So T3 will be pulled this side again 2 times. So that is 8x. That is equal to 2 to the power 3x. Now we'll do some numerical, then it will be more clear. Numerical of pulley system only I am doing. Okay, page number 68. Page number 68. Now one thing, if velocity ratio is given say 5, so then how will you draw the block and tackle system? Yes, block and tackle system. In fixed it will be 3 pulleys, in movable it will be 2 pulleys. If velocity ratio is given 6, so therefore 3 pulleys in fixed, 3 pulleys in movable. In this way you have to draw. Now question number 6 is saying here, draw a tackle to lift the load applying force downward direction. Okay. So here 5 pulleys are given. So this rigid support must be there. If you will miss this one, you will lose marks. Because from where pulleys are suspended or hanged, okay. This is given in a question. Now, mark in the diagram the direction of load and effort. The load is downward direction. This one you saw? Yes. And then you pass the string. The strands of the rope must be straight. This. Ropes are passing. And mark tension, effort, direction of effort also marked. Now, if the load is raised by 1 meter, through what distance will be the effort move? So first of all, we'll mark tension also. These are the tensions. T, 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 here it is T. So this is part A is complete. Next, if the load is raised by 1 meter, that is DL equal to 1 meter. Okay, the number of pulleys, that is B, number of pulleys. The system is equal to 5. So therefore, velocity ratio is equal to also 5. Correct. DL is equal to given how much? 1 meter. So, velocity ratio is equal to dE by dl. That is equal to 5 is equal to how much? dE by 1 meter. So, therefore, effort displacement equal to 5 meter. That means we have to pull what happened? 5 meter of the rope or string. Third part, state the number of strands of tackle supporting the load. Number of tackles, number of strands, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So directly C is 5, number of strands equal to 5. Part D. What is the mechanical advantage of the system? The mechanical advantage of the system, number D. MA, simply MA is equal to VR is equal to 5, because it is not mentioned here. Okay, nothing written, it means it is ideal case. We have to consider the ideal case. Now question number 5 also will do. A block and tackle system has 5 pulleys. If an effort of 1000 Newton needed to, okay.